Hello my friends, today we will talk about Giordano Bruno crater. Giordano Bruno is a 22-kilometer, 14-mile, lunar impact crater on the far side of the Moon, just beyond the northeastern limb. It lies in an area that can be viewed during a favorable libration, although the area is viewed from the side and not much detail can be seen. It lies between the craters Harkibi to the northwest and Szilard to the southeast. When viewed from orbit, Giordano Bruno is at the center of a symmetrical ray system of ejecta that has a higher albedo than the surrounding surface. The ray material extends for over 150 kilometers, 93 miles, and has not been significantly darkened by space erosion. Some of the ejecta appear to extend as far as the crater boss, over 300 kilometers, 190 miles, to the northwest. The outer rim of the crater is especially bright compared to its surroundings. To all appearances, this is a young formation that was created in the relatively recent past, geologically speaking. Based on photos from a lunar orbiter, the crater's age has been estimated at 4 million years. Oblique view of what might be the most spectacular young crater on the Moon, Giordano Bruno. The imposing cliff in the background rises 3,000 m above the melt pool seen in the middle ground. Giordano Bruno is one of the youngest large craters on the Moon. LROC captured this fantastic oblique view of the crater from an altitude of 113 kilometers in August of 2017. The sun was fairly high above the horizon, 31 degrees, so only the steepest slopes and boulders in the foreground cast shadows and albedo contrasts are prominent. Faster than a speeding bullet, or rather 10 times faster than a speeding bullet, is a good starting point in terms of grasping the energy released in a typical impact event. That is, for a bullet approaching 2 kilometers in diameter, the pressure and heat that were released during the collision not only excavated a hole much larger than the impactor but also melted a tremendous amount the target rock. Melt was sprayed and sloshed on the forming crater walls where much of it flowed back, seeking the lowest point in the impact crater. From the LROC vantage point you can follow the path taken by impact melt as it flowed across the irregular floor, ponding in closed depressions, and some of it ultimately reaching the lowest point. At least 5 landslide lobes are visible here. The middle lobe appears to have slid into the impact melt pool, perhaps causing the now frozen swirl pattern to form as the melt level was raised. Also note the faint lines on the lobes. These lines are tracks made by boulders that have tumbled down the slopes. Thank you for watching. If you want you can subscribe and give the thumbs up. See you next time.